Hey, welcome to another episode. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do a quick photo edit just to make your photo look just like this one here. I just created a new edit for someone. She loved it, so I thought I would share it with you guys too to show how I did it. So I'm just about to do that right now, and here we go. Let's go right away to PixArt. So this is what I was doing right now. I just got to the part where I added a lot of clouds in. So I'm going to continue adding more clouds right now. I already cartoonized the photo. I showed you guys how to do that in the last video. If you do want a step-by-step, do send me a DM and I'll be happy to do so. But right now I'm just adding the clouds so it doesn't look as naked. And yeah, let's continue. So what I am doing is this. I'm just looking for clouds and adding whichever ones I think will be good, because I don't want this photo to look like naked or anything. Like, I want it to look filled up properly and stuff like that. So this is what I'm doing, filling it up. And right now I am going to put this under like this. Just do this here. But honestly, I think I'm going to crop it a little bit more, but I just don't want it to look naked. That's my only issue, right? Is having it look like it's weird, it's placed weirdly or whatever. But here we go. I'm just adding even more clouds right now to make it look like more natural, basically. Like literally wherever I can. I'm just gonna add one there because it looked very weird without anything here. I'm gonna stretch that out. Here we go. Just like that. I am gonna kind of erase that because it looks really weird. I don't know, I can't really explain it, but I'm gonna make it look like a cloud, I guess you can say. I'm gonna stretch that out a little bit more, and I'm going to actually make it more opaque or translucent, I guess you can say. And I'm just gonna kind of make it smaller, and there we go, so it doesn't look as weird. Okay, here we go. So I'm actually going to crop it right now. So I'm cropping the photo just like that, and apply. And next step is to add a sticker. So I'm looking for a moon sticker. A moon. Kind of want an aesthetic moon, so I'm going to add a more aesthetic moon. Just give me one moment here while I find the correct one, because I had a specific one I was using before, and right now I can't seem to find it. I think it might have been this one. Obviously I have to put it behind her head, so I'm going to put it behind her head, but at the same time I do also want space for the other edit, the other thing I'm going to add, the other effect, I guess you can say. It is an effect, so I guess that's what I'll call it. It's an effect. So I'm just erasing, to make it look like it's under her, or behind her, rather than just over her head. If I'm quiet, it's because I'm focusing, by the way. And there's the moon. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is we are going to expand it a little bit, but not too much, because not really expand. I actually have to make it smaller, I think. So yeah, Okay, perfect. That's fine. Next thing we're going to do is actually go back up, and I'm going to choose this half crescent type of moon, and I'm actually just going to go right over it like this. I want to make sure that it covers half of the moon properly, and then I can actually go in and erase whatever I don't want in the photo. Just like this. Okay, perfect. Here we go. And that looks beautiful so far. So I'm gonna apply that. And we're gonna go back to stickers, and now I'm going to look for the planet crown. So I'm clicking that, and I'm going to use this one here. This is the one that I used. And here we go. There's the planet crown. Apply. Next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to click dripping effect. Dripping effect. And there should be one with planets there. Hopefully I can find it. Maybe dripping. Dripping, not drinking. It's a planet one, so I'm just gonna look for that, and this might take a while. I've also used the globe one. It's really nice as well, but I specifically want the planet one for this edit. I hope we can find it under this. Okay, let's check. Sometimes you have to scroll so much to find one little effect that you need. I don't know why. Sorry, the hive one caught my eye because like the place I work is called the Hive. So yeah, I might come back for that one, but for now I'm looking for this one specific effect, and I cannot seem to find it. I don't know why. Planets, maybe I should search. Planet, maybe. Let's see. I'm scrolling back up just to see if I missed it, or I didn't check properly, because usually it's here. As soon as I select drip effect, it's usually like one of the first ones to pop up, but like sometimes it also hides, so you also have to like specifically look for it. Okay, planets, maybe. No, that's not what I want. Drip. Okay, let's see if it comes up here. Yay, I found it. Okay, perfect. So it's right here. This is my baby. Bye.